How to unprivate your TikTok account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unprivate your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok application from your device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Then tap on the profile icon on your bottom right, then go to three bar icon on your top right. Here tap on Settings and Privacy at the end. Then under Account, tap on Privacy. Once you do so, you can see that Private Account is toggled on. If you would like to turn off your private account, then untoggle this option and read this following conditions that what will happen if you switch to a public account. If you do so, anyone will be able to follow you and view your public post. Anyone can duet your videos, and anyone can stitch your videos except for the videos that you don't allow. Once you accept all these, tap on to switch. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.